Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up customer support team or setup into your Shopify store. This is great whether you're running your store alone or already working with a small support team. So we're going to head over to shopify.com, sign in for an account. And as you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard, which is where you manage all your store settings. Now, what are we going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the online store, and we're going to click on the search bar at the top, where we can find apps to extend our store's features. We're going to type in live chat, and we're going to search for it on the App Store. Live chat is very useful because it lets customers ask questions in real time. We're going to wait for a few seconds. Boom. Now we are going to find all the live chats that we have here. You'll see many options available. If you do not have a team, you can go ahead and install AI chatbots, which can automatically answer common questions. If you have some teams or team members, you can go ahead and use standard ones that allow human agents to reply. So we have live chat. As you can see, chatty AI chatbot, live chat, whatever. And these are going to be all related, live chats. So you can choose the one that fits your business needs and budget. So I'm going to use, for example, Chatty AI. They have a free plan available, and also they are going to have a free trial, which is perfect if you want to test things out before upgrading. So we install this app real quick. I'm going to install it, click here, and it is going to be having a chat agent, help desk, and also a FAQ section on the chat bar, all in one place. So here we have the app. I'm going to pin it to the navigation. Boom. This makes it easier to access and manage the app whenever you need it. Now we are going to describe the store of ours. For example, we are going to have something like that. What channels I'm going to sell in, emails for example. We can go and use Instagram, Facebook, whatever, so the chatbot understands where messages might come from. And finally, how many support agents there are in your team. For example, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, and we are going to set it up based on our team size. So everything is going to be included. We are going to start synchronizing everything with the AI assistant, so it can learn about your store and products. You can go ahead and customize your chatbot, for example, something like that, adjusting the tone, greetings, or default answers, and we're going to enable that. We have the free one. I'm going to continue with the free, agent, which is more than enough to get started. We are going to turn it on within the Shopify theme, so customers can actually see and use it on the store. And finally, here we have it. Boom. This is the chatbot live chat. Boom. Your customers can now ask questions, get quick answers, and receive support directly from your store. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and found it useful for your Shopify store, and hope to see you soon on the next one.